About 10 years ago, I got hit in the head with a golf club, and it dislocated my jaw. And after about 6 or 7 years of thinking that it was TMJ with popping and stuff, Dr. Guest and his staff realized that it was dislocated, and they decided to try a new treatment on me where they realigned my teeth with braces, and just to try to get the overbite away so that the popping wouldn't occur. And since the braces, I wore braces I think for about 1.5 years, 2 years, and since the braces came off, I've had no popping, no clicking, headaches have went away, and they just went above and beyond what I expected. Initially we thought it was TMJ, which is where the jaw kind of pops out of place a little bit. There's a tendon, and so we tried some night splints, which is normally the treatment for TMJ. I tried 2 different night splints, but after 8 to 10 years of wearing a night splint every night and it's still popping, that obviously that wasn't curing the problem, so they decided to try other measures. It's something that they wasn't for sure that it was going to work using the braces, but the popping, the dislocation in my jaw occurred either right before I closed my mouth or right when I opened my mouth. So there was just a little, I don't know, probably 1/4 of an inch that it would happen. And just by realigning my teeth, where he took away that necessarily overbite to where it wasn't as big as overbite, so that last 1/8 of an inch wouldn't occur. So just by realigning my teeth, it settled my teeth a certain position so that the popping never would occur. And I wear a retainer at night, so as long as I wear that retainer, it keeps the teeth in the same position so that it won't go back to the normal. The popping that was occurring, like somebody snapping their fingers. When it happened, it was that. And if we were in a restaurant eating and it was kind of quiet, my wife would just cringe every time that I would chew something. It was hard to eat anything that was like a steak where I had to actually chew hard. The popping was really loud, and it was to the point sometimes where I wouldn't even order something if my jaw was sore because it just hurt so bad. But steaks are good now. I've been seeing Dr. Guest probably, as far as I know, since I can remember. I've been there, and the one thing that I've been pleased with Dr. Guest and his staff is the fact that he just goes above and beyond. He works with your schedule. He works with financially. He'll work with you. It's just it's almost like not a dentist. It's more like a friend that's helping you out. I've got no complaints and would recommend it to anybody. My name is Danny Way, and I've been a patient since birth. Dr. Guest fixed my smile.